Hey everybody, simple video today, and this is for the second generation Lexus RX, which is 2004 to 2009, and it involves auto locking or locking your doors depending on where you put your shifter. So if you put your shifter in park, do you want all of your doors to unlock when you put the car in park or not? Do you want the doors to all lock when you put it in gear after being in park or not? You can toggle that on and off, and I'll show the procedure is the exact same. It's just going to be a different pushing of the lock and unlock button. So this is obviously your lock and unlock button, and you're going to put the car in park. You're going to turn the ignition on, and within 10 seconds, if you want it to auto lock when you put it in park or take it out of park, then you push and hold for 5 seconds. Once the ignition is on, you have 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds of turning it on, you push and hold for exactly 5 seconds. If you want it to auto unlock when you put it in park, you do the exact same thing, except you push and hold unlock for 5 seconds. So I'm just going to demonstrate. It may take a few tries because you have to do it exactly for 5 seconds. So I'm going to toggle on the and if you want to disable either of those, you do it again, and it will disable it. It's just an on-off of each function done the exact same way. So I want my doors to unlock when I put the car in park. Okay, so you stop the car, you put it in park. I want all the doors to unlock. It's a pain to get out of the car, go around to a door, go to open it, and the door, then you have to run back and push the unlock to unlock the doors. So if you want them all auto unlocking, again, car's in park, all the doors closed, ignition on, hold unlock for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when it locks and unlocks, makes that lock unlock sound, that means that it has toggled. Now I had it on auto unlock, so it's not going to be enabled this time. It's going to reverse it. So I want to enable it, so I'm going to have to do that again. Again, if you want to disable it, if it's working now and you want to disable it, you do that to disable it. If you want to enable it, you do that. So we're going to enable it again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's enabled. So we'll check it. We'll put the car in drive. The door's locked. Put it in park. Door's unlocked. Perfect. Now if you want the same thing with if you want it to auto lock when you put it in gear, which is the noise you hear now. You're going to do the exact same thing we just did, except you're going to be instead of holding back to unlock, you're going to be holding forward to lock. Exact same thing. Anyway, any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.